I'm a personal chef to professional athletes.
Chef Melissa is awesome. I was interested in working with her because the athlete's diet is largely based around foods that are anti-inflammatory, and she does an awesome job of packaging all of that into not only meals that are good for you, and they taste amazing as well.
I also do dinner parties and infused cannabis meals. The most important thing is to know exactly your dosages. Microdosing is when you're imbibing cannabis and it's on a sub-perceptible level. It's not an inebriation like alcohol. I allow people to kind of regulate their own dosage. Like Eugene, for instance, he eats cannabis regularly, numerous times a day. When you know your percentages and you know your math, you know your dosages.